My name's Anthony, and I've been working with cards for most of my life. Today, I'm going to show you one of the cleanest one-handed cuts you can learn, the Charlier cut, which looks like this. Now it might look a little flashy at first, but don't let that fool you. This is actually one of the most fundamental card flourishes out there. Start in mechanics grip, thumb on one side, fingers on the other. Index finger in front controls the movement. Apply light thumb pressure to split the deck. Your index finger acts as a hinge, guiding the top packet down. As the top packet drops, guide it underneath using your fingers. Don't force it. Just control the motion and let the cards do the work. And just like that, you've got the Charlier cut. Simple, clean, and once it clicks, it becomes second nature. Take your time with it. Smooth always beats fast.